Good morning, dear students. Today, in this video, I am going to explain you the grammar section of worksheet number 10. Worksheet number 10 of English Gulmohar workbook. So, students, here you can see that words like in, on, under, and above help us to show where a person or thing is. Students, already I taught you that in, on, under and above are the prepositions, and prepositions tell us the position of the noun. In this picture of a nest is given, and birds are also in this nest. So here it is written in the nest. In is a preposition. On the table, on is a preposition. Under the bed, under is a preposition. You can see here cat is under the bed. Okay, so under is a preposition. Above the flower, butterfly is above the flower. So these four are the prepositions and they tell us the position of the noun. Now come to question number B. Look at these pictures, then complete these sentences with the correct words. First one has been done, students. Alia sits on the bench. You can see here a girl is sitting on this bench. Okay, so on preposition is correct for this picture. We sit under the cherry tree. Okay, two girls are under this tree. So under is the appropriate preposition for this sentence, for this picture. Hold the umbrella above your head. Here a boy is with his umbrella, okay, and we always hold our umbrellas above our head, not on our head, okay, above our head. I put the books in my bag, okay, in my bag. On and in our options are given, so in is the correct option. We put our books in the bag. Okay. Now come to the next page. Question number 5. The flowers in the vase are very pretty. Please don't walk on the grass. Okay. Please don't walk on or under. Two options are given. So on is the correct option for this sentence. Please don't walk on the grass. The picture is dash the sofa, above or on. You can see in this picture. Here is sofa and this is a picture. So sofa is picture is above this sofa. Okay. So above is the correct option for this sentence. Okay. Now come to question number C. Look at these pictures. Now read the questions and tick the correct answers. Where is the picture? Here you can see it is on the wall or it is above the wall. So you can see here this picture is on the wall and it has been done also that it is on the wall. Where is the cat? It is under the windowsill or it is on the windowsill. So it is on the windowsill. B option is correct. Where is Diya? Here a girl is in swimming pool. So she is in the swimming pool or she is on the swimming pool. So first option is correct. She is in the swimming pool. Where is the ball? You can see ball and table. Okay, where is the ball? It is under the table. Okay, first option is correct. It is under the table. Where is the lamp? You can see the lamp is above this table. So it is on the table or it is above the table. So students, second option is correct. It is above the table. Okay students. So here we have completed question number B and C. Now we will meet in our next video.